What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's get into the market right now. It's exciting. We have a very green day. A couple cryptos are down, but overall it is very, very positive as we look and kind of rebounded over some of the red that we had over the weekend. So let's get down into it. Like I said earlier, please subscribe down below, smash that like button, all the good stuff, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments, okay? But we need to talk about what could actually be potentially a huge catalyst for a couple of the cryptos that we talk about here on the channel pretty much every day. All right, so this will be Cardano and XRP. Now, for a lot of you guys, there's a lot of comments that people have been essentially fudding both of these cryptos. Okay, Cardano just in that top 10, and then we know XRP has fallen slightly down to that 7th spot in market cap, but these two cryptos are huge, huge entities. Okay, we're talking about $27 billion and almost 14 respectively. Okay, and that's with the billions. All right, on the day, we'll look at the crypto bubbles and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. We could see XRP has kind of been flat on the day, pretty much flat for the year. We've talked about XRP as basically, it's kind of funny. It's been pretty much non-existent since that courthouse dealing that we have going on with the SEC. Okay, we had a little bit of a local high. We got close to 80 cents. And a lot of traders were kind of hesitant to sell, thinking that we could get above $1, but we have since fallen and retreated back to around that 50 cents level that XRP seems very comfortable trading at. Now, Cardano, conversely, this is where we're going to look at 39 cents. This is a very strong position for me. Look to lower my cost basis a little bit. Probably going to be buying some more ADA, but up 31% on the year. They just don't have that flashiness, right? It's very meme coin orientated right now in the market. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of leading the headlines as well. But Cardano just needs that true push. Okay, so that's why this article is going to be very interesting because it's going to get into some of that. So let's get down into it. But before we do, guys, make sure you guys are all looking into the links down below. We do have one of the channel sponsors. This is Margex. Okay. And within Margex, one thing you need to understand is they have a sign-up bonus right now where you can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. All right, and what you want to do is click my link down below, check them out. No KYC. A lot of traders have been having a lot of success using this kind of copy trading element within Margex, where you can kind of follow each of these traders, and these numbers keep growing by the day. So this user here, if you follow it, I know it's a silly name, little trade, but earning over 2,150% ROE. All right, so very interesting stuff. It is leverage trading. There is no KYC, so make sure it's right for you where you live, as well as kind of knowing the volatility and the risks associated with it. So please be sure to do your own due diligence and check out Margex today if you want to get started trading up to 100x leverage. Okay, but that's where I was showing you guys the XRP chart. Like I said before, these local highs that we had, okay, up here where we reached and kind of brushed upon 80 cents, it has been sideways, okay? And this sideways action has been going down since pretty much the middle of April. It's kind of not a bad thing either, because if you're looking to accumulate XRP, where we're at right now in this kind of cycle, it is something where it kind of sets the tone, what we could see happen. And perfect time to talk about this article, okay? So what they are calling it is rocket fuel. Okay, so rocket fuel for XRP and Cardano. All right, now this is coming out from Santiment, one of the data analytics platforms that I use, quite frankly, very strongly within my crypto trading. Okay, but what we need to look into is, according to the data, XRP and ADA are among the most heavily shorted cryptos in the market. Okay. So what they are believing is this is a good sign for the bulls since liquidating all these short positions. And this is kind of what we've seen happen, right? There's been a lot of the GME stuff, right? Not financial advice, but the GME stuff, the AMC, a lot of association with why we are seeing the market kind of fall off the earth a little bit. But we have rebounded a little bit nicely. And now, as the rest of a lot of cryptos out there have looked to decouple from Bitcoin, right? That Bitcoin dominance has lowered, okay? This is where the short squeezes are kind of getting stronger for, I should say, against XRP and Cardano. So as we look into the market caps, once again, right, we've since climbed a little bit. It's now 7th and 10th respectively. So please disregard this. This publication is a little bit outdated. But what we've seen is, right, they have not experienced substantial volatility. Now, why is that important? Okay, So we saw a lot of XRP and a lot of ADA liquidated in just one day. Okay, so what we know about shorting is liquidations can continue, but also we could see a rapid rise in price if a short squeeze comes along and kind of counteracts those liquidations that we're seeing. So basically the short squeeze, that is what we are making this video about. That's what we were talking about. And right now, if we look into ADA and XRP, according to sentiment, right, the shorts are out there. So if we do get that short squeeze, we could see some of these rising in prices for these respective cryptos come into play because quite frankly, they've been a little bit more stable than others. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. We need to understand that we've seen a lot of bullish catalyst news for ADA. That's why it's kind of concerning to me that we're seeing ADA's price drop because we have the upcoming launch of the Chang hard fork, okay? And that's going to be huge for decentralization in terms of what Cardano's looking to do from a governance standpoint. So I cover both of these cryptos pretty much on the daily. So that's basically what the news is on the day. Please subscribe down below if you have not yet done so already. Like I said, we talk crypto every single day on the channel. So I appreciate you guys if you all join the fold and get involved on the team. But that's what we got. Appreciate you guys. Check out the links down below if you guys want to get signed up, start trading with Margex. Feel free. And remember to stay safe out there, stay vigilant. Let's look to get over this Wednesday and have a great rest of the week. Where I'm at, the weather's kind of scorching. So, excuse me, I've been inside kind of looking at charts more than normal. It's giving us a lot of opportunities. The summers have been slow pretty much for the most part within my crypto trading experience. So we'll see what that has in store for us. Nobody has that crystal ball that we all covet. But these two cryptos, a little bit too cheap for me. A little too cheap right now at these levels. And that's just my take. So like I said, subscribe down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.